Take her back to the first grade. Middle class, both pants had to work late. Remember running around the playground chasing the girl of my dreams, but I only got the first base. Go figure, cause now I'm like a young Barry Bonds in this bitch. Second grade started hanging around with misfits. Third grade learned how to use my fistics. My papa told me, boy, you better use your senses. And I was on the right track. Then I hit it right back. They like, Lukey, where your life at? Where your life at? I'm like, mama, gotta fight back. Cause nowadays these rappers ain't fire. Couple more years we force them to retire. They keep falling, we just keep climbing. Up and higher and higher. Cause ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, cause I'll be your star. Ain't no mountain that's high enough. Ain't no valley that's low enough. Stop me. Yeah, years later, if you still hating, I'll catch you up on that elevator. Explain to you why you still broke, cause you make the grand and go celebrate. Explain to you how we made a million, went back to work about a minute later. You explain to me why you gave up, I'll explain to you while I'm still taking. You real patient, I'm not, boy. My bedroom got top doors, my brain got a lot. People pay for my dots, boy. I'm faded, so rockin'. This haze on my goggles, this dame's on my cock, and too lazy to stop, but ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, cause I'll be your star. Ain't no mountain that's high.